Jamal Murray nagmakaawa sa solid defender ng Wolves na si Jaden McDaniels.
Bro, you gotta stop blocking my jumpers.
Anthony Edwards, sinabing hindi siya nagkamali sa pagkuha kay J-Mac.
Because he's definitely the X factor of the team.
Tila na suffocate ang defending champions na Denver Nuggets sa solidong depensa ng Minnesota Timberwolves. Kahit wala ang kanilang world-class na rim protector na si Rudy Gobert, natugunan ng bawat mga player ang mga expectations. Absent si Gobert sa 2 games matapos manganak ang kanyang asawa. Kahit absent ay patuloy na solido ang depensa ng Wolves at walang anumang palatandaan ng kahinaan. Isa sa mga naapektuhan ay si Jamal Murray. Bagsak ang laro ng Nuggets point guard dahil sa matinding depensa ng Wolves. Lalo na ang ginawang pag-lockdown defense dito ni Jaden McDaniels. Nakapagtala lamang si Murray ng 8 points sa Game 2. 3 lang ang kanyang naipasok sa 18 na shooting attempt niya. At tila madami din ang turnover na nagawa ni Murray nang si J-Mac ang bantay nito. Kaya si J-Mac talaga ang literal na Jamal Murray stopper. At dahil dito, naging frustrated si Murray at nambato na lang ng kung ano-ano sa loob ng court. Binunyag din Wolves forward na nagmakaawa ang Nuggets point guard sa kanya dahil sa magada nitong depensa sa kanya. Ayon sa kanya ay nakiusap si Murray na tigilan na niya and pagdepensa at pagblock sa kanyang mga tira.
Did like a great job on Jamal Murray. Like during the game, I had blocked like 3 or 4 of his jumpers, and like he gave me a comment like, "Bro, you gotta stop blocking my jumpers." Like he never had someone do that before.
Pinuri naman ng the Ant-Man Anthony Edwards si McDaniels dahil sa impresibong performance nito sa Game 2. Sa kanyang post-game interview, pinuri ni Edwards si J-Mac dahil phenomenal umano ang laro nito sa series nila sa Denver. Plus 51 umano si J-Mac kahit 5 points lang ito sa kanilang laro. Hindi nagrereklamo at focus lang sa ginagawang pagdepensa. Dagdag niya na hindi sila umano ang team ngayon kung hindi dahil kay Jaden McDaniels. Umaasa umano sila na magpapatuloy ang ganitong laro ni J-Mac dahil ito umano ang X-factor ng team at nagpapasalamat sila dito.
But I do want to just shout out Jay McDaniels, man, before I get out of here. He's been phenomenal this whole playoff run and this series in particular. I think he's like a plus 51 or something, and only probably had 5 points, took 3 shots in all 2 games, and don't complain, keep guard and keep picking up full court, and we wouldn't be the team that we are today. We wouldn't have been the team that we was in the regular season, and you know, hopefully we can keep him out there and he keeps playing like that, man, because he's definitely the X factor of the team, and everything that he brings is we thank him so much, man. So big shout out to Jaden for sure.
For sure.